Well, it's another snowy, cold day in Colorado, but we wanted to give everyone a couple public policy updates. Hopefully you're all staying warm out there. The first one that I wanted to mention is House Bill 1061. We thought there was going to be a hearing this morning, but it got postponed. There's still some more work going on with the bill. It's a good thing because I didn't want to trek down to the Capitol in the snow this morning. But this bill we're concerned about, and a lot of our allies are also concerned about it. It creates a process for a defendant to request a waiver or change in payment, or really be able to get out of paying court-ordered fines, fees, or even victim restitution. So clearly victims absolutely depend on restitution, and this is something that offenders are ordered because of the crime they committed. We have a lot of concerns because those fines and fees do help fund, they predominantly fund victim services in our state. So we are working with other partners to hopefully see some positive changes to that legislation, and we will keep folks posted on that one. This week on Thursday, we are testifying in support of a bill that has some changes, some basic strengthening and cleaning up to the Colorado Victim Rights Act. So we're excited to be able to provide some support for that bill at the hearing on Thursday. And as folks know, House Bill 1162, looking at termination of parental rights of rapists, has been a core piece of our policy agenda for a couple years now. We aren't sure when exactly that bill will be scheduled, but we do need help from survivors and from allies. So if you've worked with a survivor that unfortunately maybe became pregnant as a result of a sexual assault, and they're interested in learning more about statewide policy efforts to make sure that protections are in place, definitely feel free to send that person to me. I would love to talk with them about this bill and how they could help and what it does. And we are partnering with the Domestic Violence Coalition for a Legislative Education and Advocacy Day webinar on February 11th, where we'll really be walking folks through the bill, making sure you understand talking points so you can reach out to your legislators, and then we'll be following up with a postcard campaign so advocates around the state can send in postcards in support of the bill. So if you haven't already, sign up on our website. You can go to ccasa.org for more information to sign up. Also keep an eye on our social networking on our Facebook pages. There's been a lot of coverage around sex offender management, conversations at the Capitol about sex offender issues that the Denver Post has been covering, and we are posting all of that on our Facebook page. But thanks again, and stay warm out there.